Welcome to Minor Construction, South Africa's #1 drafting academy and recruitment specialists. Minor Construction is rated South Africa's best practical skills development drafting academy. It was established to cultivate specialized skills in future draftsmen through real-world workplace experiences. Unlike traditional programs, we offer students a hands-on learning environment that simulates an actual office setting, allowing them to work on simulated current project-specific tasks. Our academy is a registered private college, accredited by Construction CETA and QCTO, and is recognized as an Autodesk product training academy. At Minor Construction, students receive direct mentorship from experienced draftsmen. This training mirrors the apprenticeship model, where students not only learn how to use industry-standard drawing programs but also understand the rationale behind their tasks. The value of hands-on learning is immense, and we ensure that every graduate leaves with a year of practical work experience. We are Minor Construction, drafting your future.